today for every student that are boarding the bus this morning.
Yeah.
And also the taxis and the private vehicles heading to school. We hope that you will enjoy today's learning, especially when it's on a Friday.
Whoa.
It's PE day,
Huh?
sports day.
Okay.
Yeah, for
Oh,
most
right,
schools
right,
today
right.
is
Yeah.
sports day, Friday. And then areveti ko nira na ndarmagati ko na nonra colored
Sports, uniform.
Yeah, sports uniform. Wakata laki na QVS in the house.
Oi!
Yes, will be held today at the
Saan din
HFC
ah?
Bank Stadium.
Yeah.
All the best, boys.
Yes.
Nabugo ni Wimbure ba? Nabugo tapiti ko nabugo ni Interhouse and singabinak di ko.
I would like to say good morning to all the bus drivers, to all the public transport drivers.
Iyo.
To the Nasese bus, Island bus, to the Sunbeam, Pacifica, and everyone
Iyo.
from different organizations who are forming in a family of public transport. To Bentari, good morning to you. And why you...
No, your English is very sophisticated.
All right, thank you very much. Sometimes
And very
sublimation,
complicated.
sometimes complimentary. Hey, Timothy Raimbale, John
Yeah.
Kumar Bulaminaka, Mel Nedalebu. I want to look. And Ranaka Dreus, good morning to everyone joining this morning. To all the mommies, to all the daddies,
Right.
thank you very much for the lovely morning this morning. If you have some interrelationship, interrelationship,
Yeah.
you
That
need
tribal wars.
you need to talk to each other.
Right.
Dina.
Because
Communication is the key.
yeah,
Right.
if kaya kung ngaluba,
Yeah.
if you close your mouth from your loved ones,
Right.
Yeah.
what will happen is this: you don't know what will tumbuh main mata ni alonra.
Iya.
So life in this earth is very short.
Di Nasara,
Eh?
James?
If you think about life,
Yes.
life is very short.
Right.
We know our date of birth,
Yeah.
but we don't know our date of death. So
Right, ayaw saraya.
you be careful of what you eat, of
Yeah.
what you see,
Right.
and most of all is the way your relationship with anyone in
Yeah.
this earth.
Right.
Because whatever kakek sa seri ke burung-burung sa seri kita lenga may dak.
Nano ko
Right.
taro?
Iya.
Kemara turanga.
May noa.
Why do men
Iya.
Ko tolo baru taro
What?
baru taro kun kay
and
makasama.
mo ninda leva kina leva ring?
Elebangan nito na kasi ni Soli. Iyo, kento na kakek memengan reba. Balik to kami boruta ko we provide everything.
Yes, and then
And sometimes
we also provide. We are also working.
What?
Women.
Yeah,
That
you
is
know.
before. That is in the past.
You
Now
know.
we are also working.
Yeah, you know.
Yeah.
The main thing is the basics of life.
All right.
Nama tingu kere-kere man tato karaman tanati
Iya,
And then
and then you don't want.
Yeah.
Wala ko sa sirito na si Beno Mutala. That's the kind of answer we will be nama pun kaya minararaw.
Right.
We want Cinandra tunangon
Iya.
Please, can you wasa nga mentor si Sili ko to gore ubiantar sa kanimatak.
Iya.
Ay, gusto na ka landing that kind of question, that kind of answer we hate.
Iya.
You are dump ourselves.
you what?
Benu
Ikaw,
tu
yeah.
nang bulan ni Maraw tu
Yeah.
kay mami mikim salira raw.
Iya.
Yeah, this is the truth.
May baka nga nitalo, ako nalim nitalo lek, eh? Pero nabi bungon niya, okay naman na pinikaw.
Iyo, good.
Mo to kayo talaga mo niya, okay rin ngon.
Yeah. That's what will happen.
Okay. Do only men leva or the ladies too leva?
Oh!
Iya.
Asking,
Iya.
if we ever, we can valilinga.
Yeah.
Right. After that, back to normal.
Back to normal.
Right.
Because it's not a part of our life to leva.
Iya.
Kenta naturang, ha? So when a women,
Yes.
when a woman or women
Leva.
leva, misadunru.
Yeah.
Oh,
What happened?
kaya baka man kasi nga na marami buru-burong ko.
Iya.
Na pollution ke derniado indongan ko na siya nga na noise pollution because na nga na nila pakin
Ngalu.
ngalu ke na buru-buru.
And that is the most dangerous time.
Yeah.
Yes.
Di na sir. Iya.
Because-
Okay.
Ha?
Danong ko message ba ko matado ka. Basta
Yeah.
sa may tukuni to na live show eh. Era mataka na
Baby,
dai.
because biyaw.
Speaking mo ni.
May totok ka.
Nabugo ni talano siya na topping ko na leva. Usa ni mo suciao, sa tukuna ponto ni ni.
Right.
Ni SN leva di kemuni chiko.
And doon kami ako ni Sang ni
Suli
Suli
yung
ni
butuan.
SN.
Ay turang ka tao. Ausa nunggu numa. Menangunway babi tinang kasi.
Naiwali.
Iyo. Sana kena wali. Mengunway babi.
Okay, what's your message to all the ladies? Okay, first, Eleanor.
Yeah, my.
Message to the men who are laboring every time. So every little thing, they labor. Dapat message Vera.
It is not manly
Right.
to labor. It is not part of a man to labor.
Right.
It can be of a woman, but not of a man. So if you want to be considered to be a real man,
Yeah.
you have to remove that sickness of laboring in your life.
Karo te mek tahu bika dati una tumbunin ra.
Dems, dapat message Vera.
Why are you hot-blooded and high blood pressure?
Dapat message Vera mereka kunin daw labor.
This is a story. This is a message to all the women out there.
May.
Yeah.
Please, don't hate yourself. Labor is not part of our life.
Yeah.
Kasi tigil ni nandang bula. Monta udundu.
Saling ngalu.
Saling alu. So baka saban de menatali tu nadundu.
Silent treatment.
O kwa sabat tu ngangori.
Yeah.
He always like that. Na bangangor sa naut.
Eh.
No.
Yeah.
Nobody is part of that situation.
Silent movement.
Seganin do na hormone.
Yeah.
Embuli batambakin do may nangonda.
Yeah.
To make it attack na dundu. Dundu is a communication breakdown within you and your partner or your loved ones.
You know, you were saying before,
Yeah.
Nangaw na kem nindo, sa mata-mata na nung gutor siya. Tukar mata may namiyang maybe mommy is tired. Maybe it's you esasing na kay ko da kabatiko. Kaya you have to help mommy.
Mese nga bata minita ka
Takamati.
O tayo na siya mo doon nila ko baka tunambuin mo ko nanguna tabu kami nanguna sa kay rimbo du.
Make sure to always help mommy because if mommy said, if mommy is fed up or really tired, then that means daddy is not helping mommy.
If phone is make you lazy,
Right.
Yeah.
mommy is daddy you ask something.
That is a donkey.
There is a Is it like that? Because sometimes
Yeah.
some of us, our mind,
Right.
nanguni focus to kina nang tabakasama on something. Anybody wants something, you'll post that one. Iko na taruh ka. Wow, sila ka tunggu.
Yeah.
If you are watching phone,
Right.
make sure. Lebu nanguna when you are concentrate on phone,
Right.
everything will be cancelled. All the proper program will be cancelled. See?
Yes, that's true. That's true, Nemesi. That is very true, Nemesi.
Kesalahan mga tao, durute ni pala sili.
Ay, sili. Me kune.
Hey, sobesa ramata. When a woman is leva, month period bakan dua.
Sakali. Okay, di
Bakat
wali
dua,
lebat
bakat
juga
dua.
weekend dan dua.
Right,
Ricardo kata
right.
Vito ka dulu mai. Reda, sa ko man na lebat. Na piden re bagi manta.
Kala ka ng bulan na
No,
bulan.
sa lebat kina sararo kina. Den tu manda.
Iyo.
Tukuri bele lebat lang lady.
Sometimes it's really funny.
Yeah.
Like both husband and wife can both leva at the same time.
Yeah.
They refuse talking to each other.
Right.
And then like
Yeah.
over time, they have forgiven each other,
Yeah.
but they're just waiting who is going to speak first.
Iya.
Right. That happens. Who is going to speak first?
Bangaya, bekenta ni bubale ke Rosalia ba. Balalar bale, mero vital no babinaka to kill the problem. Because it's not from outside.
Just
Yeah.
give the money.
Sila ko momo mong kami wali na lang ka.
Yeah.
Right.
Si rawali ngay ka.
Right.
So that your family, sunangon ndo baka min to stabanan rendre baya. I will go back to my message nang ona kero sa gabi ndo muni kirme that chat message.
Oh, I thought you.
You keep that.
Ento tu na messenger.
Uy.
Nanomon raw bosan yang ona ni nomon raw maraw.
Right.
You keep some, you delete some.
Nangon nomon raw maraw
Iya.
Nangon raw ando maraw kina ndo lewili kana message ya.
Yeah.
So nangon ko sa may dunru sa rarotu ndo lewili ka. Ya bari tagali sibu ka. Reda ko tukuna beaw ni konto muniaw. Iko tukuna beaw ni singa talin tua. Iya tam sa tam kontor sa dunru itu.
Dia na sa.
Dawili ka ya ndo baka malumutak sa kana bitana.
Kira kami tak kau me pakan tin pe mo le ni pale ni ko daule ba de me sir kau kata kau ngau na ko le bakin na turi tumba ngau na sala kina pale melako ko ndor bono na sto sala le voleibol kau tak kau ko kete manum toros balabur tum na tri kota bosu ka kete no muzip ni torses
Mbasu ka kele na koli.
itu raga. Yeah, and to all the men, please.
Asal
Kau
kayak
tahu bahasa dulu mami.
kayak na si Peter siya. Asal kayak pamu sarang na bembi bukan. Kau itu rumelo mo ko.
Dina out. Kandina, yes.
Iya, meto apa pinga?
Siya ako ni mamatau tak na matanggal ka ba? Make out. Kailangan ko ba leba Peter Revit ko bukan.
Level na kita.
Iyo. Nanda keke pita tawa ke tobatan nimbula binak.
Sale ba dog gay kan isa munin daw na talibon ni.
Iyo, rarongan na
Saya tu
talibon.
pasar na, si siguro nang nilepo-lepo guri. Papeso Leito tua.
Oh, sereki.
Ilmay na. Itinan ron nimbula binak. Leto farasiko mbula binak. Nadali bumatanising. Bro, ay sa kweta no mundo.
Do ya
Yandra binaka, Yandra Marida Tunikula, Yandra binaka, Jubaba Kane, do Yandra binaka. Yandra binaka Lesi, Jubaba Kaminieli, Pita Tawake.
Right. One binaka. All the best Fiji Sevens team for the Vancouver Sevens.
Yeah.
Right.
This weekend. To all the supporters, to all the Fiji Secondary School Rugby League, to all the inter-house, the zone, for the student, everybody, thank you very much. Keep it up. Be a